Hello YouTubers, so this is Eric from RC Monster Garage, and what we got here today, it is HPI Sport 3 Flux. This is a new car that they have. It's not actually that new. It's a Porsche design, kind of military camouflage that can do 70 miles an hour. It's right here on the box. You need to do some modification to your gear in order to do that. This car is ready to run, but it's actually almost ready to run. You still need to buy a separate battery and a charger. It's not coming in the box, even though it's on it ready to run. The car design, very beautiful design, very sleek Porsche looking, and then when you remove it, you remove the body from it, this is what you get underneath. Slick tires. They actually feel pretty good. They're very sticky. You have the big brushless motor over here. ESC. It's actually completely waterproofed, and it's set up to be a waterproof vehicle. I don't see the reason why, because you're not going to run this in a water if you're trying to go fast. Steering servo is a good steering servo on it, and it's almost ready to run. Even though it's ready to run, you're gonna need to put again battery and have your own LiPo charger, and you're gonna have to do a couple modification right here. You're gonna have to change some of the pinion gears in order to run 70 miles an hour. But consider how small this car is and how less expensive it is. This is gonna be a very good car for beginner speed run. For the money, I think it's worth it. They're around like $350 to $400, depend where you buy them. Now it's available in our shop. You're more than welcome to come and see one, and if you want, even buy it. This is again Eric from MotoStyles RC Monster Garage, giving you guys another quick video about this new Porsche from HPI. And I'm very happy to know that HPI are back. They were declared bankruptcy, but now they are back, so we can enjoy those toys again. Thank you. Please follow us and share the video so you can see more cool stuff.